that he needs an evidence to show that M23 came to Kenya, met the president, and launched themselves.
What I said,
maybe if you don't have that evidence, when are you ready to provide the evidence?
Mr. Speaker, what I said is that the M23 made contact, and indeed, the president of Kenya's responsibility was for him to start negotiating with them and the Rwandese government. What I am saying is, those discussions as they started...
Did you say that they came to Nairobi?
I said yes.
And met the president?
Yeah, no, I said they came, yes.
No. No, I don't need any direction from the members.
Say what you're saying.
That is why I'm here. I'm listening to the members.
I don't know why you don't want me to talk. Mr. Speaker, let me make it easy for you. I withdraw.
Okay, fine.
And apologize for my majority. Can I proceed? So let me say, so that you don't waste my time, let me say what I'm saying. We, as a leadership, must understand that whatever that was happening is not removed from our reality. Just as you're planning to organize so that Prime Minister Raila can then go for his election at AU, what do? You allow individuals to pick Besigye and they abduct him and take him to Uganda. Internationally, Honorable Cherargei, you know that looks bad. Then when you are busy talking about South Africa, I know some of us may not understand that the South African government, having gone to Congo, the responsibility and the role they have played in Congo and all the issues that have been engaged must be handled so carefully. But what do? And I said it on public. We then decide we are going to support Israel because the Israelis are our friends for years and years and years, and we make that announcement disregarding the sensitivities of what is happening in Gaza. Then we take that same narrative as we are having issues.
Senator Onyonka, there's another point of order from the majority leader.
You see, Mr. Speaker, I'm really sorry to Senator Onyonka because it's not my intention to disrupt him. But he's inviting this upon himself by claiming matters that are not factual, which leaves us with no other option than to interrupt him and ask him to check his records. I know for a fact that not once, twice, or thrice, that Kenya has made its position clear on the Palestine-Gaza dispute, that they believe in the two-state solution. We have never come out clear to say that we support any of the parties. Therefore, it is not right for Senator Onyonka to mislead the House and claim that we have identified with Israel to the exclusion of the Palestinians. That's not accurate.
Mr. Speaker, could I maybe use a different, let me use a different angle to make...
When there is a member executing a point of order, you go back to a seat, you sit and wait.
Mr. Speaker, I feel like you're trying to harass me so much. I am saying,
rules of the House. When there is a member...
Speaker, I know the rules, but you see, if I keep going that way, it's a bit tiring.
There's a seat just next to...
All right. And I've got his point, which I can
You should not take advantage of the mic to just exchange with the member who has a point of order.
Much obliged. I would most probably answer him and say, let's leave the Israeli question. Can we talk about the rapid deployment force that is in Nairobi? You can legitimize, you can argue about it. So you are comfortable the RDF is in Nairobi. And the other Sudanese party is in Sudan, and they have written an official letter today where they are saying that you have actually violated their very essence, existence as a state. That is how, so you've been... You see, Mr. Speaker, you see, your colleagues are now answering me because they don't want me to make my arguments.
With the member on the floor.
Let me just finish my debate.
No. And also, Senator Onyonka, just talk to the speaker, not to the member.
Thank